Good morning, this is Airpost Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And this reading here is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. I'm using 5 decks and the reading starts with the Nature's Whispers card. Out came Assurance, saying to remain steady and be assured that you are doing exactly what you are supposed to do. You might be seeing small signs that things, situations, and desires are just beginning to fall into place. Your focus and skills, they are intact. You will feel motivated in work areas and therefore make good inroads on your usual work. New ways of dealing with things will occur to you and fresh perspectives, they will appear. And as a result, your life will move toward harmony and balance. So trust yourself. You have everything that you need. The Shaman Dreams Oracle card is Benefactor and is about grace and generosity, gifts, support, and mentoring. When the benefactor weaves her energy into your life, you are put on notice that all manner of positive reinforcement is coming your way. The universe wants to let you know that just as you have been generous with others, serving with your gifts, even in the smallest capacity, you will be rewarded as well in myriad ways. The most beautiful gift that the benefactor gives you is the recognition that you are stewarding and sharing abundance on behalf of a higher source, one that is always working through you. The motives for her generosity to you, as well as yours to others, are intangible, although you will see the results reflected in the material world. The benefactor reminds you that it is in the purity of your desire to share without the need for reciprocity that, paradoxically, your initial generosity is reciprocated tenfold, seemingly without any connection to the original act. So dream sharing and caring into being, and you will be amazed to see this vibrant seed take root and spread. So do it just because, and the benefactor will give you her blessings. The next card is the Sacred Creators card, and out came Feed Your Artist. And the Feed Your Artist card is the passionate maker, the creative play, supporting yourself with your passion and time to experiment, the ability to be free from rules and nourishing your artistic soul and creating an inspired future, ability to inspire others, and you are in flow with the universe. There is a money myth out there that healers, they are broke as hippies, and that creatives, they are starving artists, and it doesn't have to be this way. It actually is not this way at all, is the message. There are healers, creatives, and artists everywhere who are building abundant and prosperous lives with their craft. You too can use your passions and your creativity to fill your world with joy and abundance. So allow them to support and guide you on your journey and diligently feed your inner artist, trusting that it is a productive pursuit. Your art may be a shot of daily yoga with a side of delightful conversation, or maybe it is expressive dance that clears your stress. Whatever it is, allow playful art to seep into your life. The real, unpolished, uncontrived play that floats your soul. Do more of that, and indulge your inner creator by diving into something you have been inspired to try, with no judgment and with no expectation except the expectation to experiment. Your self-expression will nourish the miraculous light you have got inside, and incredibly serendipitous opportunities will surface when you are out in the world enjoying your life as art. Ask, how often do I schedule a time for creative play? And how spontaneous am I about diving into something that looks like it will be fun? Am I leaving time for experimentation? And how harshly do I judge my initial attempts? What type of artist am I? And what is my life as art? Now comes the mindful escapes and the meditation card. And yours is the Loch Coruisk, a mystical place at the heart of the Cuillin on the Isle of Skye in Scotland. And sorry if I misspell the words, they are hard to say, but I will write it later when I'm finished, and then everyone can read the name from the Scotland place. So it starts that there are mists swirling above your head as you ponder the liquid abyss before you. It is a welcoming, velvety darkness, a cauldron of deep delights. There is stillness here, and giant slabs of rock, they border each side of this cave, making it seem as if you moved into another world, a place of secrets. The sky here sinks into the land, and you are right in the heart of it, stretching out your hands to let them stroke the earth. It is a rich soil and a mossy underground, and it is damp to the touch. You are alone in this place, but you need not fear anything. You have heard of the tales of the shape-shifting creature, a kelpie that rises from the deep, luring its victims to a watery grave, but this only adds to the mystery of this place. You place both hands over your heart and you deeply inhale, and now you accept the inky water and the darkness as well as the light. And the last card is the Oracle of the Birds, and out came the Parrot. And the Parrot is about communication. The meaning of the card is that a parrot provides you with the skill to get in touch with your environment and to learn from it through imitation and to thereby understand and exchange with other life forms. Parrot is strengthening your confidence in this exchange and gives you knowledge, wisdom, and compassion. It provides you with the gift of empathy and thus helps you discover new, unimagined abilities. So listen attentively to the nuances in your environment and solve even the most difficult problems through communicating with humor. The magic feathers, they are speaking to you saying, with my gaudy feathers, I spice up your life and encourage you to accept what is and open yourself to the moment. Remember the extraordinary bright colors of your own soul's gown. What you say wants to be noticed, recognized, and reshaped. Celebrate life and happiness in joyful exchange with your environment. You are loved and you are welcomed. Sorry for the trilling, now it starts again. There are more meanings to the card, like lively exchange with other people, communicating in new ways with lots of humor, learning by imitation, luminosity of the soul, and building your charisma. See this affirmation: I light the colors of my soul by opening myself to life, to inner guidance, and to love for all of existence. That was the reading for you, Gemini. Sorry for the trilling. I thank you for listening. I wish you a most beautiful day today. I wish you a most beautiful whole week. Sending out my love to you. Take care and goodbye.